Today we're cleaning out our refrigerators and turning our holiday leftovers into a delicious roast beef sandwich. We have our leftover dinner rolls sliced in half. We have leftover roast beef cut thin. We have some leftover cooked onions, leftover bacon, some leftover salad greens, and some blue cheese dressing. You can use any dressing you want. If you made our holiday sirloin tip roast, you can even use the horseradish dressing that was made with the roast. Or if you want to just use a simple mustard that you've got in your fridge, you can do that as well. We're going to start with our dinner roll and place a little bit of our dressing on the base layer. Then we are going to add some salad greens. Then we are going to add some bacon, some of our cooked onions, and last but not least, some of this sliced roast beef. Place the rest of our roll on top, and there you have it. A delicious slider using all leftovers. Perfect way to transform leftovers into something new and delicious. What a great way to wrap up the holiday season. For other leftover meal inspirations, visit ohiobeef.org.